Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Mizan Dotnet Telecom, your premier destination for all your mobile needs. Our service: sales of new and used mobile phone, sales of accessories as such mobile charger, screen protector, mobile battery, router, and screen protector, screen mouth speaker, mouse, keyboard, etc. All kinds of mobile accessories and computer accessories, screen and battery replacement, water damage repair and data recovery, software troubleshooting and updates. At Mizan.net and Telecom, we are committed to providing reliable products and exceptional service, helping you make the most of your mobile technology. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.